Hi, I'm Tom, and welcome back to our series on the basics of financial planning. Today we're going to be talking about investing, what it is and why you should do it. So we've talked previously about what your net worth is. We've talked about budgeting and how to free up some extra money for the end of the month. And now we're going to talk about ideally what we should be doing with part of that budget, and that's saving. So investing is buying bonds and stocks. So what's a bond? A bond is you loaning money to an organization, usually a company. For example, if you loan Walmart money in the form of buying a bond from them, Walmart literally owes you money. And so over time, they will pay you an interest rate. And then after a certain amount of time, you get your money back plus interest. Essentially, you are the bank to Walmart. If you're buying a stock from Walmart, you're buying a small piece of ownership of the company. So when Walmart has a good year and they make profits, they may pay you some money in the form of a dividend, or because they had a good year and they're profitable, their value of the company increases, and so your small piece of company stock increases in value as well. So now that we know what stocks and bonds are, why should we buy them and why is it a good idea? We know that since 1929, the US stock market returns an average of 13% a year. But not every year is great. Some years are really awesome and some years are really bad. So that's what investment risk is. It's the volatility or the increases and decreases in the value of your investments. Some years there's recessions where the majority of your investments will go down, and some years there's great years where most of them go up. There's a lot of other years kind of in between where some will go up and some will go down. But we know that over time, if you can stay invested and keep your money in the stock market, it will grow. Hopefully this has been helpful and provided a little bit of insight into what a stock, what a bond is, and why you should invest. Next, we're going to move away from investing and growing our net worth, and we're going to look at how to manage our debt, how to pay down credit cards, and the common pitfalls around that. Like and subscribe if this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.